I'm having some problems with the door handle. The door handle on my 2008 Hyundai Sonata, you gotta pull it and it just seems like the whole handle is a little bit loose there. Like, I don't know if something's damaged or broken or just a loose bolt, but you can't always pull or make the door work properly. And sometimes when you go to shut the door, it doesn't shut because the door latch isn't working. It's just kind of, you can just tell the whole door handle is kind of loose and not working as well as it normally would. It still does function, but it's just getting loose and I'm worried it's gonna break or have problems, and it's just been an annoyance. So I'm gonna work on fixing this today. So a lot of times when you have to work on a door handle, you have to take off the whole interior panel to get access to the door handle. But another video I saw said you can take this off and access a bolt that will then allow you to tighten the bolt. So we'll see if that is all we have to do. Hopefully just take off that little tab and tighten the bolt. Let's see if you can use a little plastic tool or a little flathead. I might need something with a little more, try something else besides the flathead. The flathead might work, but I don't want to scratch the paint. There we go, that got it. Popped it off. If you have a loose door handle, then just pop that off and tighten the bolt. You can see there's a bolt. Yeah, there you go. You can see that little bolt in there. I think we might just need to tighten that. Hopefully that's all it is. I hope it's not broken. That would be nice if it's just a loose bolt, but we'll see. There might be a broken piece in there too. We'll check it out. So to get that bolt out, I'm gonna use this screwdriver type tool with, it's like a 5/16 driver. You can see on there, let me turn this and show you. So use a 5/16 there, and I use kind of a long, it needs to go clear in there like it goes all the way in, so it's gotta go in pretty far to get to it. And so we got our paper in there to catch this screw, so we don't have to take the door apart. And building the paper thing was a little annoying, but not nearly as annoying as taking the whole door off. So you can see up in there, I shine the. So after messing with this, I realized that the problem was just that the bolt in there was loose. That's why my door handle was getting loose. It was not broken, it's just a loose bolt. So all I had to do was get in there and tighten it. So I went in there and I just kind of hand tight, you know, nice and snug there. And I'm gonna just check it again. I think that solved the problem. Oh yeah, that's so much better, because it used to be, I mean, you could still have a little bit of play, but it was way worse. Because yeah, I don't think the plastic is fatigued or broken, it's just that bolt was loose. And now it's much better. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have to fix the whole thing, because the door handle itself is not broken, it's just that loose bolt in there was the problem. So yeah, the good news is all I had to do was tighten it, and then that fixed the play in the door. I'm gonna take this paper out now. So if you look up in there, so if you have a loose door that's got too much play before it breaks, just pop off the little plastic part here. Let me show you that. So before the handle breaks, because it's so loose, pop off this little kind of rubbery plastic piece. You just pop that off, and then you look in there and there's a bolt that you have to tighten. So if you can tighten that bolt that's in there, that fixed the problem of the loose door handle on my 2008 Hyundai Sonata. So that's all I had to do. Really easy, free, just, if you know what you're doing, it's just take you 5 minutes to get in there, tighten it, and then pop this plug back on. Really quick and easy fix. So hope this helps. That's an easy fix for a loose door handle on a 2008 Hyundai Sonata. I'll put that black tab back in. Good as new.